Last holiday season for the ASUS Extreme PC Makeover, we met this guy, Mikey, a talented student with determination, heart, and big dreams. What made it even more special was the people around him, his classmates, his loving family, along with a group of friends who celebrated each other's wins. Instead of feeling jealous, they showed up, cheered loud, and shared in the moment. Among them was a close friend, this guy, Sabino. He could have nominated himself, but instead, he chose Mikey. But that was 2024, and now, 1 year later, ASUS set out once again to find the next deserving individual, someone ready to take their dream to the next level, which led us back to Texas with Mikey, but this time with a little bit of a twist. Because Mikey's not just a part of the story, he's helping us tell the next one.
It's so wild looking back because that build literally changed everything for me. I'm so excited that my friend Sabino gets that same opportunity.
Little did Sabino know that by lifting up his friend Mikey last year, he had set something powerful in motion, because this time it was Mikey who nominated him, and the story he shared left the ASUS team speechless.
And I believe this opportunity can help him take his next step toward a future he's worked incredibly hard for.
He talked about Sabino's passion for design, his relentless drive to learn, and how even with limited resources, Sabino has never stopped believing in his dream of becoming an engineer.
Sabino once told me something that really stuck with me. I have a goal for my life, and I'll do everything in my power to get there, but no one can do it alone.
Mikey, you did such an incredible job.
He never really asked for much. He just needs the right tools to help him get to the next level.
And that's why we're here. Meet Sabino, the winner of the ASUS Extreme PC Makeover Holiday Edition 2025. We are picking up Sabino and Mikey from school, and this feels surreal because last year for Mikey's episode, we spent a ton of time here. We even got to crash a pep rally. I can't believe we're back. This is our 8th makeover, and these videos are so special. Every person reminds me just how much these builds can change a life. And thanks to ASUS, we get to do it again today. Oh, I see them, there they are. Mikey, Sabino! How are you? It's so good to see you. So I have to ask, how did you find out that you won?
Okay, so we were just in class. Came in and was like, dude, I need to tell you something. Just sit down. I mean, I was already in my seat.
Were you worried something happened?
Yeah, I'm like really scared. Like, and he told me, he's like, you won the PC. I was like, what?
Yeah, whenever I got that notification, I was so in shock that like I had to like leave the room and just run all the way to where he was to let him know. Over the years, he's kind of been like, man, I really need a PC and all that stuff. Like, I want to do something for him, kind of surprise him.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
Watching these two is something special. They push each other, they dream big together, and now their paths are overlapping in a way that neither of them expected. Sabino, a junior in high school, he's taught himself Fusion 360, Tinkercad, and he's got one goal in mind.
My dream is to work as an automotive designer at Toyota. I want to design the exterior and interiors and even the engine for a car. Video games have pretty much instilled my interest in the automotive industry. Art of Rally, Need for Speed, as well as Dirt Rally 2.0. Definitely my favorite has got to be the Toyota Celica GT4.
You're a Toyota guy.
Yeah, I really love Toyota. My current laptop is almost as old, if not older than I am, and struggles opening Fusion 360 and even Tinkercad, a website. I'm really excited to get some of my sketches into Fusion 360 and Blender now, and even test them out in other video games.
You heard Sabino say it himself. His laptop is holding him back, and he can't run the programs he really needs. That's why this build really matters. It's more than a PC. It's a chance to keep learning, keep designing, and keep pushing toward his dream of becoming an engineer in the automotive industry. So after a quick bite and a few good laughs, it was time to head back and finally make it real. All right, Sabino, come on in and check out your components.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
There you go.
All of this 1,000 watts. So cool.
Yeah, that's huge. So you're getting all of this.
This is really cool. Thank you, dude. Like really, this is so cool.
And with that, let's build a PC. This whole build is an all-white ROG setup, starting with the X870A gaming motherboard and AMD's Ryzen 7 9800X3D. Plenty of power for anything Sabino wants to design or create. And big shout out to our friends over at Kingston for hooking us up yet again with 4 terabytes of their Gen 5 SSDs. And I should note, the PC DIY friendly layout on this board, they snap into place with zero effort. Then we added 64 gigabytes of Kingston Fury Beast RAM, also white. And after taking a moment to admire this new board, ooh, so nice, it was time to bring in the chassis. And ASUS sent over the all-white ROG Helios 2. This is a big boy, and Mikey and Sabino were admiring every piece before they moved forward. They knew the routine by now. Panels off, case was prepped, and the motherboard secured. All 9 screws. And of course, before they kept going, they had to grab the obligatory beauty shots to send to their friends and family. Next up was the Ryujin 3 Extreme AIO. The standout feature? The fans literally click together and run off a single cable, which makes cable management so much easier. A quick little thermal paste Picasso moment, we did the mini dot full coverage method, got the pump secured, and the entire cooling system was ready to go. Then it was time for power. ASUS sent over their 1000 watt Platinum PSU, which we can admire through the transparent window along the bottom of this chassis. And then, the moment these friends were most excited for, the GPU.
Whoa!
That's really big.
Yeah, that's.
Oh my.
Oh, okay. Oh.
This special white edition Astral comes with the ROG ring.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay, that's cool!
Yeah.
So obviously they had to stop and admire it first. And once the card went in, the centerpiece of the whole build, the system finally looked complete. From there, it was time for the big moment, powering it on.
The switch. 3. Whoa! Okay, that's a lot of RGB.
What? Look at those fans. They're
You see,
That's really crazy.
Okay, yeah, it's lighting up like everything.
Oh, the lights, the GPU lights. Look.
Oh yeah, it has a light at the top too. This is amazing.
And like all great builds, it ended with one last final peel.
Here you go.
Yeah.
And just like that, the build was done, and it was time to check out the other gear ASUS sent over for the makeover.
Oh, okay, that's a lot of stuff.
It's Christmas time!
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Mouse pad. Whoa. Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, that's cool. A microphone. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Ooh.
Lift it up.
3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Nice.
And because this story started with more than one person, we have one last gift for you, Mikey.
Okay. Thank you so much.
It's an SSD enclosure, which means you put an SSD in it.
An SSD, 4 terabytes. Wow, okay.
That's what this holiday season is really about. The joy of giving, gratitude, and friendship. New desk, new setup, new chapter, and the best part, it's all for Sabino. And with a little bit of editing magic, we went from this to that. For the first time, he can dive into complex projects and actually watch his ideas come to life the way he imagined them.
With this new PC, I can get my sketches in a full 3D model. I'll be able to run Blender and Fusion 360 a lot more efficiently.
And this PC brings him one step closer to the future he's been dreaming about.
If there's anyone out there that has a dream but doesn't have the tools they need yet, keep dreaming, strive every day, work hard, and build the skills slowly. It doesn't matter how long it'll take. One day it'll pay off and you will achieve your dreams.
But just when Sabino thought the surprises were over, there was one more waiting.
Oh, wow.
Hi Sabino, this is Ahmad from Toyota. I lead some of our engineering teams at Connected Technologies, and I wanted to say congratulations on your new setup. It looks amazing, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I also heard that you're really passionate about one day being an automotive engineer yourself. Is that true?
Yes, yeah.
Pretty cool, man. Well, we wanted to invite you and some of your friends to come visit us at Toyota HQ if you're down for that.
I totally am.
It's cool. Well, hopefully one day we can see you guys in person and show you a little bit about behind the scenes, what we do day to day.
That'd be great. That's cool.
The setup is the first step, right? You're gonna get really good at CAD, you're gonna get really good at design, right?
Yeah.
1 year from now, I wanna see some cool designs.
Okay, yeah.
Let us know. Reach out what works best for you guys and the team, and we'll make it happen, man. Take care, guys.
Bye.
Thanks again. Bye.
Toyota, the very company that inspires the kind of cars Sabino dreams of designing, just invited him for a private tour of their headquarters. For a student who once got inspired by racing games and has spent years sketching cars, building models in Fusion 360, and dreaming of designing for Toyota one day, this wasn't just a call, it was a glimpse of his future, and honestly, there's no better way to end the story.
I definitely want to thank Mikey. We've had a lot of fun together. Just through everything we've been through, I'm really thankful for what he did for me. I'm not gonna forget this. And I also wanna thank ASUS and everyone involved in this. I can't express how I feel. I'm now one step closer to achieving my dream, because no one can do it alone.
A year ago, Sabino was cheering from the sidelines. Now he's able to create, design, and dream bigger than ever. And that's another episode of the ASUS Extreme PC Makeover. Until next time, bye.